Hi friends, the today topic is on antibiotic classification. So we will discuss here about their mechanism of action and some concepts. So let's start. Cell wall synthesis inhibitors. Those antibiotics which inhibit the production of bacterial cell wall or which inhibit the synthesis of bacterial cell wall. These both are same, but the antibiotics used for this purpose are penicillin, cephalosporin group of antibiotic, and carbapenem group of antibiotic. Penicillin mostly used for skin infections, strep throat infections, and uh, other infections. And several aspirin antibiotics include ciprexone, cefotaxime, and cephalexin, used for many infections like respiratory tract infections, skin infections, STIs, gastrointestinal infections, and carbapenems also inhibit the synthesis of bacterial cell wall or inhibit or block the production of bacterial cell wall and destroy the bacteria. So these cell wall synthesis inhibitors antibiotics are these three group of antibiotics: penicillin, include amoxicillin, etc., cephalosporin, and carbapenems. This right. The second one is protein synthesis inhibitors. Protein synthesis inhibitors are antibiotics which acts on the bacterial ribosomes. Bacterial ribosomes means what is ribosomes? Ribosomes are a protein factory. Ribosomes actually manufacture protein inside the bacterial cell, and the bacterial ribosomes is far different from the human or animal ribosomes. So the antibiotics which acts on these ribosomes or inhibit the protein synthesis or block the protein production, these antibiotics are called protein synthesis inhibitors. So there is a two group of antibiotics which acts like this and destroy the bacteria. The first one is macrolide antibiotics like azithromycin, clarithromycin, and erythromycin. They act or target the 50S ribosome subunit ribosomes. 50S subunit ribosomes. And the second one, tetracycline group of antibiotic. They act on 30S subunit ribosomes and inhibit the protein synthesis. Azithromycin mostly used in skin infection, respiratory tract infections, sore throat infections, and sexual transmitted infections. And tetracycline antibiotic like doxycycline mostly used in acne or Lyme disease, etc. So that's right. We will discuss about DNA synthesis now. DNA synthesis inhibitors. Antibiotics which inhibit the synthesis of DNA or which block the DNA replication are called DNA synthesis inhibitors. So let's talk about the ciprofloxacin or fluoroquinolones group of antibiotics. They target the DNA topoisomerase, the main enzyme in DNA replication. So when they target this enzyme, so they stop the DNA replication. As they stop the DNA replication, so the bacteria growth stops and bacteria destroys. So this ciprofloxacin, you can say that the ciprofloxacin or fluoroquinolones group stop the growth of bacteria or stop the DNA replication or DNA synthesis inhibitors. And the second one is metronidazole. Metronidazole direct attacks on DNA. As fluoroquinolones are most effective in gastrointestinal infections like ciprofloxacin is mostly effective in gastrointestinal tract infections, urinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection, and upper respiratory tract infections, sore throat infections. And metronidazole also used in some bacteria gastrointestinal tract and also used for some parasitic infections.